Hi, em, vamos a ver, hoy les vengo a hablar de. Today I talk about what do you need to be happy. Um, I will be happy when I get married and I have children. I will be happy when I have my own house. I'll be happy when I get that job. I'll I'll be happy when. Has you ever wished for something like that? How did you feel when finally got it? Happy? And how long did the happiness last? No one denies that meeting a goal or doing something we want makes us feel good. What happens is that this feeling can be temporary. Goals and positions are not enough. True happiness is like health. It depends on many factors. We are all different. What makes one person happy may not make another happy. In addition, the passage of time makes us all change. Even, even so, some things have been found to produce more happiness than others. In this article, we will examine 4 of them: being satisfied with the basics, avoid envy, loving your neighbor, and having strength of character. First, be satisfied with the basics. An ancient sage who studied human behavior says that money is a protection, but he also warned a mere lover of silver will not be satisfied with silver, nor any lover of wealth with income. What did he mean by these words? And that also we need money to live. We should not love rich, because greed has no limit. The wise man we are talking about was King Solomon. He tried to find out if riches and luxuries could make him happy. I'll never deny myself any wish, he wrote. I never denied myself any fun. With this immense fortune, he built mansions, gardens, and ponds, and placed many people at his service. In short, he got everything he wanted. Which was the result? The experiment worked, but only to a certain degree and for a short time. Afterward, the effort seemed totally useless. He even came to hate life. That's right. Solomon learned that a life of pleasure and luxuries leaves us dissatisfied and empty. What do the experts think? Do you agree with the King Solomon? An article published in a journal that studies human well-being points out that once basic needs are met, a better salary does not equal more satisfaction. Ok, el magazine, la revista, si te da curiosidad de buscarla, se llama Journal of Happiness Studies. 2. Avoid envy. The envy is defined as a feeling of sadness or irritation caused by someone possessing something that one does not have or would like. It is like a malignant tumor that invades the person and destroys his happiness. The Encyclopedia of Social Psychology points out that the human being tends to envy those who he considers to be on his same level, be it because of age, experience, social position, etc. For example, a soulless person wouldn't envy a movie star, but could envy a colleague of his who had more salaries. The aforementioned encyclopedia says that it is important to recognize envy for what it is, a form of aggression. This is the only way to explain why it is caused so many violent acts through history. Envy can read our ability to enjoy the good things in life. How can you tell if envy is going to you? Ask yourself, do them achievements of my peers make me happy or do they depress me? If my brother, a classmate, or a co-worker fail, am I happy or do I feel bad? If you answered were I'm depressed and I'm glad, it is likely that envy is growing inside you. Envy can raise a person's ability to enjoy the good things in life. Envy ruins a person's ability to enjoy the good things in life, says the foreign encyclopedia, and still with gratitude for the many gifts we possess. Envy is filled with humility and modesty, virtues that allow us to value the abilities and qualities of others instead of acting out of selfishness or presumption. 3. Love your neighbor. The book Social Psychology answers that personal relationships influence our well being more than employment, salary, community, and even health. In other words, to be happy, the human being needs to give and receive love. It is never too late to love and be loved. Love is patient and kind. 4. We need to have strength of character. Who doesn't have problems? Strength of character helps us in those moments, helps us recover from life's blows. A balanced view of errors: when a person with strength of character makes a mistake, he does not martyr himself with expressions like I'm a failure or I am useless. The book The Power of Resilience says that to strengthen one's character, one must recognize that mistakes and failures are natural part of life, and one must know how to react when they occur. Show yourself grateful. Studies indicate that reflecting on the positive aspects of your lives and being grateful for the kindness you receive makes you happier. So, it's everything. Thanks for watching and let's be positive.